the Museo El Castillo. So I just want to show you around, like what I'm about to do, like things. I don't know, you can see guys, like weather is actually not that bad, so I hope it's not gonna be rainy. And I want to show you the castle, or Museo El Castillo, which is actually a castle. It's in Medellín, in the city. It's located close to Poblado and to the mall Vizcaya. So for you guys, just to know where is it. I have no idea what is the cost fee, so we're going to ask. I think inside you can get a picnic, you can just walk around, and it has a really cool story, so I'm just gonna be showing you a little bit. So let's see. Right to this place. What they're offering at the beginning is like you gotta pay a fee because it's not that expensive. You're gonna pay just 80,000 pesos per person, and this is included, like you know, like a tour guide, so he's gonna explain what is the place about it and everything. It's a really nice place. It seems that people come here just to do their picnics, so you can come here, grab lunch. If you just wanna walk inside and not going inside of the castle, I mean you just wanna be on this yard, you pay less. You pay like 50,000 pesos, which is about like, let's say $4, something like that. So I'm going to grab something to eat because I haven't eaten, so I'm just gonna eat something, and after that we're gonna get our tour guide, which is gonna let us know what is the history behind the place, what when was built, and well, you know. So let me just show you a little bit around. Gonna be grabbing something to eat, and look, unfortunately, like part of the castle is being, like, you know, under construction, so they're kind of restoring something, so we're not gonna see a whole picture of the castle, at least like the front part. And yeah, so we are here. Let me show you this place. The weather is nice, it's beautiful. I really like it. I really enjoy Medellin weather. Look at this. So it's really nice. And yeah, let's go and grab something to eat because I haven't got here. So okay, I couldn't film anything inside because they didn't allow people just to, you know, like film or just to, yeah, just to show or take pictures or whatever. So whatever, when you come in here to the museum and you go inside of the museum, you know, you just go on the tour, you're gonna see a lot of furniture, like really old furniture that it's coming from France, from Germany. And yeah, so the people who were living here, there was a family. There were like two families, but the second family, they were like more, let's say, important. One of the persons who were living here, it was kidnapped, so it was like, I think, the second or third person in Colombia to be kidnapped in that time. And I could say that, yeah, like you're gonna see is a lot of porcelains, paintings, like all these, I don't know, old furniture coming from 19th, 18th century. And they have a lot of, you know, art. So the person who was living here was a lot into art, into arts and science. And what else? It's really nice. It has a lot of like old stories, what the family they were doing, how it was, like, you know, like if someone was a little bit sick, so how can they get and manage to get the medicaments and everything. So it's just to get to know a little bit of the story. They have a lot of paintings, a lot of things brought from, I think, from Europe. Let me show you just something. Look, this animal, what's that? What are you doing? And I just want to highlight, and this place is, you know, just full of nature. So the person who was taking care of here was really into gardening and, yeah, and just, you know, building like the whole garden, flowers. So it has a lot of, I think, time. So you can see the place is a little bit of an imitation of the castles in Europe. These, according to what they say, the imitation is taken from France, like the I don't know, some architecture from France. and it took 11 years. So if you can see it, this is like the peak of the castle. But it took like 11 years just to build it. So let's walk around a bit. Look, and they have really nice details. I think these are really, really cute. I really like them. And I want to see this little animal in here. What are those? I don't know. They look cute. Hello. Okay, I'm just going. They were so fucking fast. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, don't do that. If you want to watch animals, just do it from outside, not that close. Ay, Dios mío. Look, they have different things. I don't know, like you can see, these are a little bit Chinese. What is that, like you know, those small trees?
Personas con recorrido guiado de 3:30 acercarse a recepción. Las personas con recorrido guiado de 3:30 acercarse a recepción. Aquellas que porten bolsos, cascos o coches para...
Look guys, and that you can see, this is the inside of the house. So it's actually really nice. I don't know, the tour takes about like 30-40 minutes, and this is one of the gardens they do have. This is the second floor. They have like rooms, like the room the family they were living here, and yeah, like, you know, old stuff. So you can see the passports, what they were, you know, working at. They were explaining when the guy from here got kidnapped. So what happened to him, like the family, they didn't want to pay the price because they didn't want to support, like, you know, crime or something like that. You can see this. I think it's actually cute. Also, if you don't want just to come and do the tour, you can absolutely just hang out in here, you know, just chill. You can come in, you know, with some food and do a picnic. I think also if you want just to come, study, read a book, whatever. Also you can come with your couple, do a little romanticizing plan in here. And yeah, food, I don't recommend it in here, absolutely not. They only have sandwiches, like, you know, pastry, but it's not, so I think it's expensive and I don't find it really, really tasty. So just don't waste the money. If you can bring your own food, just do it. Okay guys, so look at this place. I just want to give you some more details about the castle. So the castle was built in 1930 and it took like 11 years just to build the castle. This castle, just let me show you a little bit around. It has a Gothic style. You can see it's really Gothic medieval, and it's really a castle who is inspired by Loire ballet in France. But I don't know, it's like, you know, they taking the whole inspiration in the architecture in France, as I said before. But also it's very important that after some people were living here and they died, their will was that this castle became donation. So that's why the castle became a museum right now. And yeah, it's not going to different families. There was only 2 families here, only 2 families. Just imagine, castle was built in 1930. There was never ever a castle in Colombia. I think that idea was brought from Europe and they brought it here. So I think actually whatever, you know, like carpets, chairs, like the whole furniture was taken from Europe. I think they brought it from there. What else is important here? I think it's really nice just to realize, like, I don't know, for me it's interesting just to think like they want to bring the whole Europe, you know, lifestyle here to Medellín, but they're still living in a Latin American country. It doesn't mean that it's gonna be unsafe or something, but I think at that point we're living very, very different. So you have a lot of peasants, you have a lot of uneducated persons, and these people, they were educating more or less same as they were doing in Europe. So people, they will have their own tutors just to learn whatever they want to learn. And yeah, what else can I say about here? Interesting, you don't have to pay that much fee. So I think we pay 80,000 just per person, and we had a guided tour. And look, this is what you get, so you can see more or less like the whole gardening style. They wanted to take it from, yeah, whatever it was in that time in France, or maybe the castle of the Chateau of Versailles, but you know, here is very different. For being a family, they were of course extremely rich. These people, they were really rich, and they had a lot. Just imagine this whole place. Look at that. And there they have a lot of fountains or fuente. Look, the trees, they are really I think old ones. What do you have in here? So this is the antiquario, and the antiquario is where you can see the whole porcelains. They also have like open exhibitions, but I don't know all the time, so you can just go and check on the page. Hola. So you just can go and check on the page. It's not expensive to come here. This is located in Poblado, so whenever you want to come, you know, you're in a safe area, so don't hesitate, just absolutely do it. And look this, I would say like definitely to take in some of the architecture and the design from other castles. It's really nice because in Colombia we don't have castles. We never had that tradition, and just people, you know, this family bringing or building. Maybe wait, I can show you a little bit better in here. So when you guys can see this, it's like for us, I think for me, when I first realized there was a castle in Medellín, I was like, what? Why a castle like this? It's so awkward. We don't have that much castles in Colombia because that's not our tradition. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm just gonna let you the whole comment, the whole story, and the link if you want to come and enjoy this beautiful place. It's really nice. You just, as I say, you can come, eat something, have a picnic, have a really chill day in here, and enjoy the view and the beautiful weather of the city. Guys, please don't forget to go subscribe to my channel and please like. Bye, to the next time. So see you in the next video.